Hi everybody, I wanted to recommend a great site for you. It's called lifemastery.com. That's lifemastery.com. And well, I was kind of going through a slump. I was not happy and there was nothing that could get me out of it. I actually told my friend about it and she recommended that I see an energy healer. And I didn't really know what to expect. I was like, an energy healer, what does that mean? And I just didn't know anything about it. But I decided to give it a try. And she recommended that I check out Shivani in Australia. And so I did, and I have never felt better. I have had 3 energy healings with Shivani, and I don't know what it did, but everything feels better, everything feels more clear, and I have heard that it has to do with chakras or something. I really don't know, but I know that it works, and I feel so much better. Everything is so much more clear. I'm happy, I'm hopeful, and it's all thanks to Shivani, and I am just so happy that my friend recommended her to me. Everything's been, I'm here in America, she's in Australia, and I still feel it. I don't know what it is. I lie in my bed, she does energy work, and it actually does work. So I truly recommend it for you. It will help you. The energy healing is amazing. Check out the website at lifemastery.com.